course, sometimes, pag nag-meeting, kailangan mo ng, siyempre, pakainin mo sila. Kasi sa meeting, kailangan mo ng i-explain mo sa kanila, yung reminders. So, kailangan na yung new system doon sa mga company. Kasi may mga bagong isang sistema ang company clients mo na kailangan i-disseminate mo sa kanila. So, yung motivation doon, pag may meeting kayo, kailangan may merienda.
Sir, what do you do to make them work and strive more? How do you encourage them so that they will prevent tardiness from their work? How do you make them lively in their work?
Of course, kaya may mga disciplinary actions. So, pag mayroon sila, dalawa kasi ang problema is controllable and uncontrollable. So, you have to explain them well. Yung controllable is nasa manner ng tao yan eh. Control yan. So, pag ginawa mo is controllable, tapos ginawa mo pa, may kaparusahan yan eh. So, reminders pa rin. Kasi yung uncontrollable, so kailangan doon, pag-iintindi na yun ang may-ari ng sumama. Hindi mo maiwasan yung problema, so you have to solve it.
How do you communicate your employees, sir?
Communicate?
Oh, yes.
Nagtrabaho na para sa family natin. So, it's for the future of your family. So, dito tayo kumikita, dito tayo umaasa ng kabuhayan natin. So, like that. Parang nire-refresh ko lang sa kanila, in-explain ko lang it's for the family para magtrabaho ka.
Are you sir, are you into business problems only, or can you touch personal problems of employees?
Personal problem? I don't like personal problem with the employees. Like what?
Like sir, like if they want to be absent like that because of their family problems, like that.
Do you support them in those situations?
It depends on case-to-case basis. So, kung emergency, kailangan mo supportahan, kailangan mo alalahin yung empleyado. Kasi dyan lang aasa yan eh. Wala naman sila ibang tatakbuhan. But yung sobra na lagi na lang ginagawa yan, hindi naman po yun. Malalaman mo naman eh. So, kailangan i-support mo yung doon sa empleyado, yung pa rin.
We all know that there are also problems in motivating employees. Sometimes they are hard-headed, absentees, and lazy. What common problems do you encounter in your employees?
Sinabi mo na lazy. Wala yan, kailangan yung motivation nga. Yung practice mo, yung sistema mo, kailangan itap ka lagi doon sa situation. Kasi once na pinabayaan mo yung mga tao, hindi mo na sila namamonitor. Naiiba yung nila. Hindi na sila ganun katalong ng trabaho. So like, when they are in the field na, kailangan yung continuous monitoring mo sa kanilang communication, reminders. Kahit nandun sila sa daanan, tumatakbo na sila. Kailangan ba yung reminders, constant reminders for the safety, yung mag-meet yung requirements ng customer. Yeah.
What particular example of problems do you encounter in your daily transactions? For example, what observations do you see in your employees? Can you cite some specific or particular example?
Complaints like the customer yung arrogante, like that. Kailangan kasi doon yung values mo doon sa customer, kailangan maayos ka rin mag-communicate. Kasi frontliners ka, kailangan doon sa customer, kahit galit na yung customer, hindi ka pwedeng sumagot na, di ba? Yun nga, mini-meeting natin sila, nire-remind natin sila before, or daily nire-remind natin sila na itong customer na to, ganito, so ka na yung behavior natin. para yung services mo, hindi lang doon sa may deliver mo, yung ugali natin na nagre-reflect kasi yan kung paano, kung ano yung company mayroon ka pagdating mo sa tao mo. Mas na-arrogante yung tao mo, nasisira. So,
What is your usual action for that?
controllable yan eh. So, if in case na habit na nila yan or laging ginagawa, kaya tayo sinasabi na reprimand, never reprimand is warning, suspension, and termination. Of course, pagka hindi lang sa job, pero kung money matters, pag nanakaw mo, automatic. Wala nang explanation doon. Terminate agad.
That's a good way of having your employees do things, sir. And after making other decisions, of course you will check if it works. How do you evaluate your programs, your employees, and the activities you make? What factors do you consider so that you can say that the activities you have made are successful?
Of course, continuous business of the clients, yung continuous business, more referrals. So, minsan hindi mo na makuha yung ibang pick-up guys sa marami ka ng customer na gustong pa-serve sa'yo. Talaga sinabi ko na, pag maganda servisyo, maraming kliyente yung magtitiwala sa'yo.
So when can you say that your activities is successful, and when can you say that your employees are doing good, they are performing better than their previous performance? How can you say?
That reflects from the customer. Pag nagbigay sila ng maraming business sa'yo at walang complaints sa'yo against your employee, doon mo makikita na magandang result ng trabaho nila for that transaction.
Sir, for example, have you encountered customers complaining about your services, or what do they suggest what you can do better?
There are complaints that can help your company when it comes to operation system, no? Kasi once na may complaint regarding that kind of complaints yan, doon mo ma-enhance, mapagano mo pa lalo yung sistema mo pag yung complaints. So may mga complaints na nakakatulong sa company. Doon mo ma-enhance kung paano mo mapaganda sa sunod. You can learn, nalilearn mo yung magkakaroon ka ng lesson party doon sa complaint ng customer. That can help also your operation. Meron mga complaints na parang harassment lang. Although complaint siya, kailangan mo entertain siya sa kliyente para hindi lumaki yung problema. Kailangan mo siya entertain, kailangan mo siya bigyan ng solution, explain mo bakit ganito. That's also a part na parang mapaganda lalo yung operation mo. Tapos kung complaint siya parte sa tao mo, of course you have to promise the customer that kailangan hindi na maulit.
How hard to be a manager, sir? I mean, how do you feel to be a manager? Is it hard? Is it a hard work? It's controllable.
It's hard to be kasi all complaints nandun na lahat sa taas. So ikaw yung parang of course pag complaints sa manager din, so explainable ka lahat dyan eh. So kailangan control ang situation mo dyan. I-explain mo lahat. So kailangan hard work and hindi Hindi lang dito pwede na